I'm Randall Faber, and welcome to Scale and Chord Book 3. We've subtitled this book Harmony in Motion because it takes musical patterns, foundational musical patterns, lays them across the keyboard, and then puts them into motion. So notice this isn't just a typical scale book in playing scales up and down, but instead we're going to find and assign meaning to each tone and do more deep workouts to really understand the essence of music. Think about what music is. In essence, it is meaningful combinations of tones through time. So this book then gives a deeper understanding of the nature of the scale tones and guides the technique to put them into motion. Let's take a look. This is page 8 as an example. Many exercises in the book here. This particular one is called triplet scales. So let's see how it identifies the important, meaningful scale steps. Transpose. And continuing to E. And so forth, on into many keys. But notice, where is the scale leading? It focuses on, centers on the leading tone, which resolves to the home tone. So we have leading tone to tonic, but we do so through the dominant, through step 5. The meaning then of the tones is that that leading tone is going to lead us home, so to speak, but it's anchored with step 5. So we get the 5-1. Anchoring in the 5 chord to 1, or what we've heard in our elementary lessons, the 5-7-1. When we find and identify these scale tones and hear that leading tone, dominant to tonic, we're giving and finding that deeper meaning. So don't forget the transpositions because that's our workhorse engine, if you will, that develops that deeper understanding. We're going to do this with many scale exercises and also chord exercises, arpeggiating the chords across the keyboard and chord progressions. And this then gives us these two outcomes from the book, the deeper understanding, but then also the technical guidance for putting this in motion. Now, I'd like to focus on that as the deeper understanding and the sharper listening and the attention to the tactile that combined to become a real talent maker. It's a direct path to developing talent as long as we put in the diligent hard work. Have fun.